Welcome back to Supercar Street Racing. Brad here, recovering from a bout with the pandemic, but I'm doing wonderfully. And today we have a DEWENWILS retractable cord reel here that we are going to be unboxing and installing. And then we have this little pigtail, and this is for charging the golf cart, since the golf cart now uses a regular female plug here. And this cord thing has a triple on the end. So let's take a look at that today. We are back and in full effect on Supercar Street Racing, recovering from the pandemic. Almost everyone I know had it, and now we are here with this DEWENWILS retractable cord reel, SKU HCRC 30C. Now this is going to be mounted right on the ceiling, and this will allow me to pull the cord down and charge my golf cart. So let's go ahead and this is the box that came in here. We'll get rid of that. And then here we have the retractable cord reel, looking so nice and beautiful right in front of us. And we will go ahead and open this up now. And inside we see this bubble wrap condom that we need to take it out of. And this should be a fairly straightforward install. And it has good reviews. And here is a something or another. Looks like a mounting bracket for this thing. And inside it, we have a very long Allen wrench, one of Allen's keys. It looks like, I think what that is. I don't know what that is, actually. That's not an Allen wrench. I don't know what that does. Here is the mounting bracket, and here are some screws and a little thingy for it. And I don't know what that does, but here is the lovely instruction manual that tells you how to mount this. And apparently this is the pin that holds the reel up to the bracket to secure it. So once you put the bracket up, you then, I guess, put this through like this to mount the not hose reel, it's a electrical cord reel. So it should be pretty straightforward. There are some ceiling joists going across we're going to try to mount this to. And then when we unbox this right here, right now, we have this beautiful electrical cord retractable thingy here that the first thing we're going to do is cut these ugly tags off and remove this dumb UL sticker that they make you have, which is super ugly. And we will get our scissors out right now and cut off this stupid dumb zip tie. And there we have done that, so that is ready to go. And now all we have to do right here, right now, is go mount this guy on the ceiling like this, straight up. And then this guy right here will go through there like this. So let's do that right now. So this reel is designed to be mounted up to the ceiling, and as you can clearly see right here above me where I have the camera pointed, the garage door opener is mounted to the ceiling joist that runs across, and that is also where the outlet is. So what we are going to do is mount that right in the same spot, but we need a ladder or a step stool to get up there, so I'm going to grab that now. Alright guys, we have our mounting bracket here. We're going to go ahead and get up there and grab our drill real quick. And here we have our standard drill ready to go. And we're going to go ahead and mount this over towards the other side so we don't block the lighting. You see that light right there? And we are going to take our drill up here. And we're going to follow the joist that way and probably put this about right here. So this is not keyhole slotted, so you just have to kind of put the screw in and then hope you get it right into the joist. That looks like it should be it. It was not it. Oh wait, was it? Maybe. Oh yeah, I think we got it. Let's see. Most definitely. Now let us try to get it square as possible. Man, that's pretty good. Battery dead? Battery's dead. Alright, I'm going to switch to the impact anyway. I got the impact driver here. Good enough. Alright, let's get this thing hung up. Basically, it just works like this. Oh, is that gonna hit the garage door? That might hit the garage door. That wouldn't be good. I gotta test and see if it's gonna hit the door. That will be close. I think it'll be fine. We'll see. I'm in the absolute wrong place for this. Okay. This is no longer in use. Now we just need to tighten up the wiring, test and see if the garage door hits it, which it shouldn't. Let's go ahead and do that now. All right, we got our zip ties out and our scissors. And we can go ahead and figure out a way to get this wiring all nice and tidy. So I think I will just tie this up to the garage door opener track like this. It pulls it up and out of the way so it can't hit the track. Like so. And then the rest we can coil up right up here. Okay. Maybe one more zip tie up there. It doesn't look that great. Right. There. That's better. And that is a finished job. Now there is also a clip here to keep the rod from coming out. I think it goes, I think it's like a safety for this. I think. Yeah, there's a hole. There's a hole in this so you can put this safety thing in. I don't think it's going anywhere. But yeah, it's for keeping the rod from coming out. But this thing is freaking hard to get on there, right? I'm just probably going to take a little zip tie and put it in there if I have one small enough. I bet I don't have one small enough. Oh, okay, that works. Alright, I just put a zip tie instead because this metal thing's really hard to get. So now it can't come off. Alright guys, here is a look at the finished installation of the I keep calling it a hose reel, electrical reel. It runs up to the ceiling for the garage door opener outlet and comes down here, and then you just pull it like that. And it stays like this. And then you just pull it again and it goes right back up. Pretty simple. In order to charge the golf cart, you need a female extension cord, so that's what this is for. This will plug right into here. We can pull this down and then we can charge, and we will show you that right now. Alright, so the retractable cord is pulled down. There's the pigtail. And it is charging the golf cart, as we can see right here on the display. And guys, I highly recommend this DEWENWILS retractable cord. It does the job perfectly for charging the golf cart, and also other uses here in the garage where I will need power in the middle, like for our vacuum cleaner. And I hope you guys enjoyed this review and this unboxing on Supercar Street Racing. And we will see you guys again really soon.